my babies, welcome back to the channel, y'all. So don't worry about me dying laughing right now. I hope you guys are having a great day. Like, my day was amazing. As you can see, I had nothing but jokes. But anyway, today I'm going to get into this unit that I received from UNICE Hair. It's a it's a natural YAKI straight unit, okay? But it has the curly baby hairs. Lately, the curly baby hairs has, it's been like a hit and miss for your girl. But today I wanted to try it out on YAKI texture because I'm like, how could it give curly baby hairs but YAKI hair? So I feel like, the curly baby hairs are for the girls that don't really care about doing that pressed out look. And in a moment, I'm going to show you that I accidentally went with that. And I was like, damn, it really was not supposed to kind of give that. But I just used my Tresemme hairspray. I ended up popping the wig on, and I wanted to figure out if I wanted to do like a side part, a swoop, middle part, whatever. I ended up going with the swoop this day. So I wanted to make sure that the lace was giving what it was supposed to give. The comfort level was there. Removed my ear tabs and took off that extra lace towards the top half of the hair. So I did start losing some of that baby hair because, they have the baby hairs all up close and personal to your hairline area. So I wanted to go with the side part. That's basically what I did. And I created this illusion with my baby hairs. I wanted them to be deep. I wanted them to be extra. And in a minute, you're going to see how that comes together. I really don't finish the look with you guys because I was like, you know what? This is not going to cut it, and I'm going to come back for day 2. I wanted to press the hair out a little bit so I could also show you guys what it will look like if I was to press it out without doing the extra steps that I ended up doing the second day. So this style turned out really, really cute. I know the baby hairs look very atrocious a little bit, scary almost, but it's okay. Mind you, they had quite a few baby hairs up in there, and I had to make sure that the density was given what it needed to give, so I couldn't commit to all of that thickness. So day 2, I ended up taking that density out, and it looked a little bit more natural. It wasn't giving the super pressed, using gel, all of that on the baby hairs. It gave a little bit more natural vibes, and it went well with the hair quality. So I'm just using the Got to Be glue spray with my Tresemme and a little bit of water just to get this little swoop together. And I thought my swoop turned out fire. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And I was a little smizzed on this day, so I was like, yeah. I was proud of myself because it's turned out really, really good. Anyway, so I'm getting my swoop together, girl, and then we're going to go over it with the flat iron a little bit more just to see if this is kind of the look that I was going for. And I was like, damn, I would really have to commit to these baby hairs, and I don't know if it's giving curly baby hairs anymore. So just bear with me. We're about to get to day 2 in a minute, and I'm telling you, it's going to look 10 times better. So just stick around. So this is me just giving up, and I was just like, damn, I just had to swoop them because it didn't really give that much. Now, day 2, I was feeling it. I was like, okay, this is what it's supposed to give. What I ended up doing was washing the hair completely to see if the curly baby hair look will come back, but that really didn't happen. So I ended up just blowing it out, and I wanted to press it out. I show you guys me blowing it out a little bit more because it actually was damp still right here. And one thing that I always say about YAKI hair, and I always nowadays I kind of forget to do it even on myself: blow your hair out. Now, I never washed it, but I blew it out, and I was like, but I washed it and I blew it out this time, and I was obsessed. So as you can see, I'm just showing you guys the blow dryer that I'm using, and it's the Pattern Beauty blow dryer. Your girl got one. Pattern Beauty's PR team list, okay? And I was so excited for it. So look, I'm coming through with a detangle brush, you guys. When I say this blow dryer is fire, it's fire. And if you are looking for a new blow dryer, I definitely think that this might be the one you need in your life because it comes with so many different attachments. It's really nice, high quality, sturdy, and I feel like it's for the natural girl. So I had to try it out on this, natural YAKI type of texture, and look at how amazing it has this hair. I also used her heat protectant spray on it on the opposite side just to see if I could see a difference. And when I say this freaking spray smells so good. Their shine spray and her heat protecting spray smells amazing. So shout out to Tracy Ellis. Miss Ross, we love you over here on this end. I swear she's my fairy godmother, I feel like, in my head, but I was so here for it. So look at the difference. Look at the difference in the press. The other day it wasn't giving this bone straight, but after doing those extra steps, washing it, blowing it out, it just made the hair look like some really high quality hair, and I was so happy with the results. So the baby hairs were still giving, natural, nothing too crazy. I didn't want to press them out and lay them. It just wouldn't have went well with this look. And I honestly don't know if the curly little baby hairs that they had, would have done the job either. But I did like how the baby hairs turned out. It just kind of gave like messy, effortless, but still put together in a way. So I did take a lot of the density out. But as you can see, I'm using my Baby Bliss flat iron and I'm just pressing this bad boy out. And I just thought everything came together. I didn't go in with layering or anything like that, but I am obsessed with this unit. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I know for a fact that I will be doing multiple styles with this, especially during the warmer months. Like, it just gives quality. It's so soft. It feels like a freaking pillow, believe it or not. And I feel like I tried to knock all those kinks out the hair, but with the help of, like I said, doing those steps, it really was an easy process. And I just feel like you should always wash your YAKI hair now. Like, wash it, blow dry it, and you'll see a huge difference. Because if you don't do those steps, you will see it is a little bit more of a hassle to actually get a more like pressed out, blowout feel to your YAKI hair. And look at how amazing this looks, you guys. I end up closing up the part a little bit with some black hairspray, but you can't tell me that this does not look like it's growing out of my scalp. Shouts out to UNICE for coming through with this unit. I'm so proud of them. I thought this was amazing. Maybe tone down the baby hair just a little bit, or I don't know. We're still trying the curly baby hair vibes, okay? I'm not an expert at it yet, but I feel like this look was amazing and I was here for it. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you check out the description box below, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.